Welcome back to our channel, Lores Creations. Bienvenidos a nuestro canal, Lores Creations. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making DIY Valentine's Day decorations. We got all our items from Dollar Tree. To start, we'll be painting the mason jar lid with white paint. I'm done painting the lid for the mason jar. And this mason jar, we'll use it to put our candy in to have a little small decoration. We're adding chocolate heart candies at the bottom. And we're adding Valentine heart-shaped candies. We don't want to open the packets because they'll get mixed up with this aluminum. So we'll just put in the packets like that. We're adding little hearts to our candy jar. So onto our hearts. We'll use this ribbon to wrap it around the heart. You want to hot glue the tip to secure it. So you want to just go ahead and wrap. I'm using this color ribbon because I want it to match with the rest of my decorations. But you can use any color, any pattern you want. If you buy the ribbon from Dollar Tree, make sure you get 2 rolls because one will not be enough. This is how our first heart looks. We'll be starting with our second one. This is our next pattern that we'll use to cover the second heart. You have to make sure that when you wrap it around the heart, you tighten it as you go. You don't want any loose sections because then it'll be hard to glue it at the end. This is how both hearts turned out at the end. So after we finish our hearts, we'll be putting them on top of these candlesticks. But first we have to paint each one with white or plaster chalk paint. We found both our candlesticks at Ross. We'll be giving our candlesticks a rustic look. Out of this foam disc, I cut out circles and placed them on top of our candlesticks so it would be more stable to stick the hearts on top. We used a toothpick and hot glue to put the heart on top of the foam. With only the toothpick, it's a little wobbly, but the hot glue makes it a little more stable. Turns out 2 toothpicks is better than 1. It makes it way more stable and doesn't wobble. Since our second candlestick is taller than the other one, we're putting the heart sideways so that it won't look too tall. Again, we used 2 toothpicks to hold it down at the bottom. We bought this tin Valentine's word and we painted it with white paint as well, and this will go on top of our hearts. We add Valentine to it. Hot glue it down to the heart. So that it won't look as bland, and to give it a little more color to the white and brown, I'll be adding this little red heart at the front. If you don't want to add any extra little things on your heart, you can change the white colored words to pink or red or any color you'd like. Once you're done hot gluing stuff down to the hearts and to the candlestick, you can choose to place them wherever you want. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.